absolutely love having control over the dimness of the lights in my home. And when I want to keep it simple, I go with the Lutron Dimmer because this is an excellent small dimmer that will work with existing flip switches. So if I don't want to change this whole plate, I can just get one of these. So when we moved into this house, this was the plate I was looking at with standard flip switches, and I didn't want to figure out how to get a new plate that would match this unique thing for the fan and these two switches if I tried to make this a dimmer. I wanted this dim because this is the main light for the bathroom. Now installing the Lutron is super simple. It looks like a regular switch. Let me show you the original. This was what was in there. Really basic switch. It is the exact same switch. It just has the dimmer on the side. And so it would match the same twist points. Simply turn off your electricity, pop this out, put that in, and make sure it's all matching, and then turn your electricity back on, and you're good to go. Now, how it works is simple: off, on, and then this will make it dimmer or brighter. So I can set it wherever I want. Now, I prefer it to always stay a little dimmer, so I will keep it at the dimness I prefer at all times. But if someone else comes in and they're like, actually, I want it to be really bright, they can set it themselves. It's very, very easy and straightforward to use. And it's just a fantastic and simple dimming solution.